Good morning, student. Now we continue our exercise 11 miscellaneous. That is, in miscellaneous we have both the questions of equation, line and plane, and combined question also there. Okay. So one 6 marks question coming from three-dimensional geometry, that is the combined question of line and plane. Anyhow, we can start our miscellaneous exercise. First question, I am doing question number 2. If L1, M1, N1 and L2, M2, N2 are the direction cosine of two mutually perpendicular lines, so that the direction cosine of the line perpendicular to both of these is this one. Okay, many methods is there. So we'll find a vector, unit vector perpendicular to this line and this line will be unit vector perpendicular. We can write in the form of determinant ijk L1 M1 N2 N2. Then when you open, come out from the determinant, this is coming. So these are the direction cosine of the required line. So hence direction cosine is this. Very simple. Okay. Now question number 7. Question number 7. Find the vector equation of a line passing through the point 1, 2, 3 and perpendicular to the plane. Okay. So we can start equation of a line passing through 1, 2, 3 is this x1, y1, z1. Okay. Or we can write r dot or we can write r is equal to r1 I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap plus lambda m vector. This way also we can write in vector form. Anyhow, the required line is perpendicular to the plane. The line is perpendicular to this plane, and this is the dr of the normal to the plane. This vector is perpendicular to the plane. The line also perpendicular to the plane. So these two vectors are parallel to each other. So dr equation of the line parallel to the dr of the normal to the plane. Hence dr of the normal to the plane, if these vectors are parallel, then direction ratio are proportional. Now I'll put the value, lambda cancel, so we get the equation. So in vector form they have asked, this is r1 I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap plus lambda into I cap plus 2j cap plus 5k cap. This way it will come. Okay, then some more question we'll discuss. Similar question, we have to find equation of a plane through these 3 points and parallel to the another plane. Question number 8. We have to find equation of a plane passing through this point and parallel to this plane. So this formula, we have equation of a plane passing through given point is a into x minus x1, b into y minus y1, c into z minus z1. Very common question, common formula. Okay. Now required plane is parallel to this. If planes are parallel, the normals also parallel. The dr of the normal is 1, 1, 1. And the dr of the required plane will be dr of the normal equal 1 lambda, that value will put, this is cancel out, we get this answer. Okay. So now question number 10. We have to find the point the line through these 2 points intersect yz plane. We have to find the point where line through these 2 points intersect the yz plane. So first we'll find equation of the line passing through these 2 points. We have x minus x1 by x2 minus x1, y minus y1, y2 minus y1, z minus z1, z2 minus z1. This formula we have. By that we get the equation of the line. Now we'll find the general point. X, y, z are general point. This is given point. This is dr of the line. So general point, by taking this one lambda, we get x will be minus 2 lambda 5 plus 5. If we take this one lambda, these all are equal. And y will be this, z will be this. Okay. Now if it crosses yz plane, then x coordinate will be 0. So by making this one 0, we get lambda is equal to 5 by 2. Now put the value of lambda in this. 0 is already there. We get this point after putting the lambda here. Once again, I think this is general point of the line, and since it is yz plane crosses, then x coordinate will be 0. Then value of lambda will get, this value of lambda will put here, this became 0, this became this one. Okay. Next. Question number 12. Find the equation of a line through the point this and find the equation of a coordinate of the point through this coordinate of the point through this line crosses yz plane. Sorry, here previous one is yz plane, now equation of the plane given. Almost same question. So once again, equation of a line passing through these 2 points is this. We'll find the general point coming this. Now, and then this is the equation of the plane. This line crosses this plane, so general point of this line will be general point of this plane. So putting the values of x, y, z here, we get lambda coming 2. Now put the value of lambda here, we get the required point. So it is easy. This concept of 3-dimensional is required, and this, if you know the concept of dr, direction, ratio, direction, cosine well, you can solve any question within very few minutes. And in these questions from 3-dimensional geometry will save your time to solve other questions. Okay, thank you. We can complete up to 15 number and we will do some more questions next day. Thank you.